New gloves for Christmas. Outgoing, but still great. And my Revit Gore-Tex winter gloves. All right, still waterproof, still perfectly fine, but the tips of the fingers getting cold now. Right, in the winter, it's been pretty cold. Right, so in comes the new gloves. All right, and what do we have here then? Right, okay, so what we have, a Furygan, and I really do like Furygan. I use a D30 James as my summer glove. I'm pulling out the packet, first time. Right, Land Ultra DK D30 in size XL. All right, so these are, hang on, let me detach one. This is literally an unboxing, sort of, an unwrapping. All right. Okay, so chosen these on the basis that they have this duck down in them, allegedly, right? When you, I think it's only about 30% of the down, but Velcro on the wrist closure, some grippy stuff on the palms. Yeah, we got some reinforcement there, and there's some grippy bits there. You might be able to see that in the light. Velcro on the back, D30 the knuckles. These are C level 1. So we'll be trying these out on the pan probably on Monday, because I'm back to work Monday. So we'll see how we go with that. Right? So I'll try to avoid using the heated grips and see how far I get before my hands get cold. All right, so snug fit, and this is something I've found with Furygan, on my hands anyway. I kind of like the snugness of this. Right? In fairness, I did look at some alternate, well, replacement of those from Sports Bike Shop, but wasn't so convinced compared to the Furygan. All right, so yeah, that's how they look. Some detail here on the back. There's actually a panther, some detail there on the grip. Smart finger, you think for your phone, not that I bother. Right, feel great. Right, obviously need a bit of bedding in, decent amount of insulation in them. I'm wondering whether the duck down bit is more up here than down in the fingers. I'm suspecting this is standard, kind of insulation approach, but we'll see how they go. All right. There is a little kind of a duck logo wedged in there, embossed into that strap, but a D30 label, and again another little duck down gold little duck label. But yeah, winter gloves. All right, that's it for today. I'll let you know how I get on, and check back with you soon. Have a good evening.